Create attention-grabbing press releases in seconds with Narrato's AI press release generator. Here's how to do it. Navigate to the AI Content Assistant on Narrato Workspace. Click on the Other tab or type press release in the search bar, and open the press release template. On the template, fill in your company name. Specify which product or service the press release is about, and provide some comprehensive and precise announcement notes for the press release. The AI will rely on these details to generate a relevant output. You can also specify the target word count and desired tone for the AI-generated press release, and click Generate. Your AI-generated press release will be ready in a matter of seconds. You can even add AI-generated images to your newsletter using simple text prompts. To further refine the press release, use the inline AI writing assistant to improve, simplify, or expand your text. And that's it, creating professional press releases with Narrato is super easy. Try out the AI press release generator today.